My man Jeff has got one sick custom build here, guys. Let's check it out. We got our Fridge 48. A lot of customized options on here. First off, as you can see, it is on our skid package. So no casters on this one, just on the skid setup. You want something badass to set in your outdoor kitchen, the TMG skid package is the way to go. Now, Jeff didn't stop there though. He also added our Santa Maria grill over the firebox. Now this actually has its own basin here, so it does not run off the firebox because he got an insulated firebox. So this will have its own basin here, charcoal, wood in there. Raise and lower your cooking grate. Same setup as our bigger Santa Maria grill, guys, just in a miniature size. Still plenty of room to cook for the family on here. So that's a really cool option to add on there. We'll step around and do the firebox first. So we've got our insulated firebox here. Now he did get another extra in here. He got our TMG torch charcoal chimney, guys. Lifetime warranty on the TMG torch. Now you don't have to have a TMG torch to get one of these. We will make fun of you a little bit, but that's all right. Get them on our website, guys. $100, the deal of the century. I'll even throw in a dirty rag with it too, okay? He did get our fire main cradle in there as well. Put that back in there. He got D-ring tie downs on all four corners. Folding front shelf, guys. If you get our setup on a skid or caster package, you get the folding front shelf here. So that folds up when you need to use it. When you don't need it, folds down out of the way. Paper towel utensil holder as well. We'll open up the main chamber here. Guys, in our fridge models, you get, oh, y'all ruined my video. It's all right, y'all look good doing it, so it's all good. Anyways, back to this. Inside this fridge, guys, you got 3 sliding trays. So a lot of room in our fridge series. Now, like I said, this is our 48. We do have a 36, 60, 72. We can make them deeper. We can make them taller. We can do about anything with them. But for Jeff, the 48 was just right. All right, Lawson, back over here. Come on. All right, inside here. Oh, well, you know, he got a couple more extras. He got one of our El Camals. If I had to guess, I'd say he's probably gonna put that bad boy on a Santa Maria grill, use it as a griddle top. That's just me guessing. Inside this is one of our burger presses as well. So 3 sliding trays in here, a lot of cook space. That is just Fridge 48, heading out to California. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.